Okay. Before we begin, I would like to direct your attention to item number 4. If you plan to attempt this DIY yourself, please make sure you are emotionally and spiritually prepared.
So, originally, this video was supposed to go very differently. I had a plan, I had optimism, I had confidence, and none of those things survived. I will warn you, as you watch this video, you'll see me go through several emotional stages. First, excitement, hope, careful precision, concern, questioning my life's choices, and finally, chaos. Voila! And that's how you prep your mini hardwood pieces. Oh, and sorry about the cranky kitty. Apparently, sleeping directly on the project is part of quality control.
I should probably get some quality.
Ugh. It's only been 7 minutes, but it feels like hours. At this rate, the bakery will open sometime in 2037. Well, excuse you. What are you doing here?
I wanted to thank you for the snackies. Also, I'll be watching. No slacking on the job, okay? Bye-bye now.
This was the moment I truly believed I was making progress. I remember thinking, look at me go, cutting wood, about to build these floors. I was confident, I was focused. I had absolutely no idea what I was doing. At this point, I thought, if I just made all the little pieces the same size, everything would just magically work out. Little did I know that despite my very best efforts to make these pieces even, there was going to be a lot more measuring and a lot more cutting, and then even more measuring, followed by cutting the pieces again.
Stop talking, let's take a break.
Some break did me wonders. I feel refreshed, rejuvenated, and ready to take on the world until I picked up the crafting scissors again. At which point, I must admit, a small part of me died.
Clearly this DIY required professional assistance, so I decided to take over. First, take your clay and mold it like this. Very nice, very professional. Then drop it. Yes, the dropping is intentional. It creates natural, woodsy texture. Next, find something twig-like. Cut it. Glue it. Now take some string and wrap it around like so. Nice and tight. And there you have it. A perfectly respectable miniature room.
So here I am, cutting away popsicle sticks. Something strange began to happen. The faster I worked, the less progress it felt like I was making. Are you okay? Minnie, are you okay?
Come back for me at the end of the video.
That was heavy. Guess I'll keep cutting. Oops. Sorry, kitty. I cut one piece, then another, then 5 more. And somehow, there were still so many popsicle sticks. At this point, I began to question several things. My measuring skills, my pattern design, and my decision to start this project in the first place. In my mind, this is going to be beautiful, elegant, a perfectly aligned wooden pattern that would give the bakery that rustic, handcrafted charm. You see, the plan was simple. Cut the sticks, arrange them neatly, glue them down. What could possibly go wrong, right? The first stage of crafting hell, gluing. Now glue may appear harmless, a simple crafting tool, an innocent bottle of sticky assistance. But do not be fooled. Glue is the devil. It sticks to your fingers, it builds up, it becomes gooey, and once it has claimed your hands, there is no escape. Every few minutes I had to stop and peel the glue off my fingers, layer after layer, like shedding the skin of a craft demon. But the true terror was yet to come. I was running out of glue, and there were still many, many sticks left to place. Soon, I had reached what scientists would describe as lightning speed. And even then, it did not feel like enough. The sticks kept coming, the gluing kept sticking, and the pattern was still incomplete. At this point, I began to lose all meaning. There was only glue and sticks. Now, off to mix paint and coffee. Yes, you heard that correctly. Coffee. I'm using coffee brand paint, and honestly, it just felt right to add the essence of coffee to the mix. Yay! Sanding time. Oh yes, spread the coffee and paint blend around. Just like that. Yes, completely normal crafting behavior. Then wipe away the excess and pretend this was your plan the entire time. This is exactly what I envisioned, what I imagined at the beginning. Yes. Now that it's dry, imagine the floor like a giant nail. First, we give it a manicure. Shape it, clean it up, get it looking exactly how we hoped, right? And then we finish it with a beautiful polish. In conclusion, I will never do this again.
I don't think love will recover from this. Last but not least, I also ordered pretzel dogs because sometimes emotional support comes in the form of bread wrapped around a hot dog. Very balanced and very nutritious, wouldn't you say? Oh, and before you go, wait, one more thing. Please take a moment to appreciate the new avocado toast magnet. I love it.